Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Chris, this is Pnwrcmadness, and we are going to make another video today for you guys on the Losi LMT Gravedigger. So, we're back. We got new servos. They are on the website, Pnwrcmadness.com. You can find me on eBay, Pnwrcmadness, or you can just go ahead and find me on Facebook, Chris Olson or Pnwrcmadness. Feel free to message me anytime. But yeah, guys, we're going to go ahead, take a quick look at the servo, and we're going to go ahead and put it in the truck, get it in the dirt, and I'm going to ask you guys what you think next. So let's do it. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and take a close look at the servo. We'll go ahead and pull it out of the box, and I'll go ahead and read off the specs right off the back of the box. So here we are. This is how it comes packaged. Let's go ahead and pull this right out. So that's what we get. It's just a single wire. So go ahead and check that out. They call that the Monster Killer Servo. 60 kg, 0.08 seconds at 8.4 volts. It's got stainless steel gears. You can get the rebuild kits. I don't have those in stock yet, but you can also find these at www.pnwrcmadness.com. Always free shipping. So let's go ahead, get this in the truck, get it in the dirt, and we'll see what you guys think. Oh guys, there she goes. Well, the servo is holding up. That was all I really wanted to do, was get that little bit for you guys. Totally blew apart my sway bar kit from Fourth Dimension. Not happy about that. Totally broke the axle in half. Let's flip it over and see. Let's flip it over and see about the freestyle bar. Oh, look at that. Still good. So it looks like we'll be doing some updating on this truck. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Just a run video on the Dmond DCS6084v 8.4 volt. Took a few hits, so there you go, guys. You can find it on my website, www.pnwrcmadness.com. Always free shipping. And yeah, hope you're all having a great day. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys later. Whoosh.